Today, we're going to draw weird, slightly macabre, definitely unusual creatures using nothing but the depths of your mind. That means more imagination and no copying. Thank you. All you need to get this freak show started is paper, pencil, eraser, brain. And then we're ready to draw. The first step's a fun exercise designed to stop you from overthinking and to free your imagination. We're going to start by drawing circles or blobs, and then your mission is to turn those blobs into creatures. There's no rule to this part of the process, so you can do as many or as few blobs as you want, but the point is to not overthink about what you're drawing. As you can see, I unknowingly put my eraser in front of the camera while I was drawing, like a knob. But fortunately, I drew two blob creatures, and this second one, well, I really have no words. But I found this exercise fun, and to be honest, it really does work, so don't skip it. Now we want to grab a couple of references from Pinterest or the internet, right? Just to kind of help the imagination along a bit. You want to aim for, between 1 and 3 influences. The trick is to set yourself a time limit here. Beware of falling down the Pinterest inspiration-seeking rabbit hole of time-sucking doom. Get your 3 references and get the hell out. My references are, I've got this weird cat duo. I've got a weird moth thing with a coffee cup. I've got a little creature demon at a grave being cute. Some stupid fish. And then I have gone overboard with the references, but then I've got some seagulls do you know what it was? It was the tilted head and the seagulls that kind of got me there. Yes, so those are my 1, 2, 3, 4, I've got 5 references. So this is where we're at. Mind-freeing practice, tick. References, tick. And now it's time to draw our creature. So when you're drawing from your imagination, you want to use your references for ideas only. We are not going to copy. For me, the biggest pull I got from my references was this tilted head slant from the seagulls. So I'm going to start there. And as with our practice run, I have no idea at this stage what I'm drawing. I'm just going with the flow. Remember our fish reference. Now I'm at this stage and I've got a general sketch. I'm going to go over it with proper cartooning ink, digitally, and that will get rid of any of the mistakes and kind of create a final sketch for me to then colour. Once I get the drawing to this stage of the process, I start adding extra details. So, I don't know, I'm just playing around. I've added snakes to the hat, a little arrow through the head, and I drew this evil bunny, which I didn't like first time, and then redrew it so he was super cute, and now he's probably my favourite part of the entire drawing. Now we have our sketch, and I like it, it's cool. But colouring is where it really comes to life. It is by far the longest part of the process. So for today, I'm going to time-lapse it. But let me know if you want real-time colouring in the future.